lovelies, how are you all? So Karvachauth is coming and I thought why not to make a video on Karvachauth look. So in this video I have shared some easy and basic makeup steps which I usually follow, and you can also follow even though you are not a makeup friendly, and these products all are for sensitive skin too. So चलिए करवाचौथ के लिए रेडी होते हैं.
I have washed my face with cleanser. Next step is to apply my favorite moisturizer. Here you can continue with your favorite one. And then next will be applying my favorite Lakme 9 to 5 primer based foundation. This already contain primer, so I just skipped applying primer separately. Next step is to blend the foundation with the help of beauty sponge. So here I am using sponge from the brand called GUBB. I will just dab this sponge on foundation until it gets completely blended, and will also cover the same on my neck too. Next step is to apply compact, and here I am using Lakme 95 matte complexion compact just to set my foundation. And then comes my favorite step, and here I am using Lakme Iconic Kajal Deep Black. I'll just make dots according to my eyebrow line, and then with the help of finger just dab the dots so that it gets filled up. This step will give you very natural look to your eyebrows. Next I am using this kajal as an eyeliner. Here I am drawing a thick line above upper and below lower lashes just to enhance my eye shape. Now comes to enhance your look with peachy pink lipstick from brand called Colortions. And here is my jugaad of not having eyeshadow. I am using this lipstick as eyeshadow. Hairstyle with low slick bun and giving final touch to my Karvachauth look.
You like my Karvachauth look. अगर अच्छा लगे तो please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, ta-da!